Yeah, and more lavana to fatalo fatule malo let know. Good morning, everyone. I would like to touch upon our subjects for today. Our SIM card, where it's distributed, what offers with the SIM card, and some of the processes that will help you in the long run, as well as our top-up, our partnership with Interlink, our MyCash services, such as our MyCash agents and merchants, and some of the ongoing promotions at the moment, such as our H&E specials, or router specials, which is $129 for now for 500 gigabytes.
Yeah, adding on to that, we will touch base on our direct sales executives that's currently going on roadshows. So we will also talk about how we are promoting our SIM cards offers, as well as our handsets that's currently on promotion, and as well as we have some great news in regards to our new kiosk that we'll be talking about soon today. Yeah, we have a lot of new stuff that we'll be talking about.
Okay, first on the SIM cards. What's new with the SIM cards?
So our SIM cards right now, if you're currently looking for a SIM card, it's available in all stores across Samoa, both in Savai'i and Upolu. So if you're looking for a SIM card, you just go to any store near you and you can get a free SIM card. So the SIM card is for free, but if you top up 5 tala or more, you'll get 5 gigabyte free data, as well as free calls and texts to any Digicel number. For 2 weeks, there's a lot of free calls and texts you can use. You can use to communicate with your family and your friends here in Upolu or Savai'i or Manono and Apolima. Yes, Digicel got you covered. Some of the processes that will help you, for example, if you go to a store and you top up the wrong number, you can just call in our 123 team, our customer care team, or just give us a message on our Facebook page, and then we'll be able to help you. All we need is the wrong number, the correct number, and the amounts that were sent. So it's simple as 123 Yusuf.
Yeah. Mai ngai ko ke le ngise ko pere me nga like e kuli e ko inga le a.
Yeah,
ka il fana loa. Ya sen mai se fia ila number de ala kurga mai ki
ka ice box.
It's simple. You can just call or message Digicel. Ka wai le ngumeleng se the card.
Male numero to fa fo e to yellow paleni. Male fa inga.
Simple as that.
Simple as that.
I just want to touch base on with SIM cards. So apparently our DSEs, or direct sales executives that are currently going out on the field, and as well as with our kiosk at the moment. So our process with the SIM card is that you make sure you bring an ID or passport or driver's license, any valid ID, not expired, to register your SIM card before you take it. Because at the, right now, we are focusing on making sure we register the SIM card, and because it's free, so that we make sure the customer's information are updated on the system before they take it out. It's not like the same as when we sell pork buns. You can just take the pork buns and take it with you. So we have processes to it, so it's free, but you have to make sure to bring a valid ID and or driver's license or passport. We also have student SIM cards. We require the NUS student ID or the USB student ID for the students to get the student SIM card. It's also the same process as our visitor SIM cards. We require the passport just so we can note down. But mind you, this visitor SIM cards is different from the local SIM cards. They have different plans because with visitor SIM cards are the ones that we give for the ones that are temporary coming in the country and leave. Yeah, but with the Seki SIMs are the ones that for the locals that are staying in our country for the long run.
So visitor SIM cards are the ones le kufai o le airport?
Yes, it's mainly at the airport. We also sell it at the plaza, our plaza store, and as well as our kiosk on the areas that we placed on, which we'll be talk about it soon as well. Yeah,
that's good, because noting down whoever like what I really number that new SIM, when you guys get a call, say, hey, there's something wrong with the internet and we can't connect. You can easily check the number, check the area. They say what I just say. This call is coming from a PO. So it's really good, and also to know exactly SIM card.
Well, yes, you can register either at the main office or you can register at our kiosk.
Okay.
As long as you bring your valid passport
IDs,
and IDs, then we can do that.
And special for you, Uso, I can register your number
right here,
after
right
this
now.
show, Uso. I have the app inside my phone that I
That's
can
why
use.
I like you guys.
The advantage of technology.
Yes. But just making full use of it, eh?
But I'm sorry, I don't have any pork buns here for you. Anyways, that's more on the process of getting a SIM, a very important process, and signing up for a new Digicel number. Moving on with our show, we're gonna talk about our new kiosk.
Yes.
All right, so over to where's this new kiosk gonna be opened up at?
Okay, thank you for the question. So apparently what we were discussing earlier about the new things is that before we didn't have kiosk in those areas that's currently traffic. Like let's say Frankie's and Farmer Joe. So now we have our small kiosk at the front.
Yes.
So
Oh wow.
yes, it's easy, and right now there's a lot of traffic on the road coming to the town area. So now you don't have to, if you feel like you're too busy doing chores and stuff, you can just hold at our team at Lotopa, Frankie Lotopa, Frankie's Utori, and as well as Pamacho and Salimor. So that's our Upolu area. For Savai, we have one kiosk that will be in Salilonga as well. So they can also stop by. But mainly our ones in Upolu, they're up and run at the moment. So you guys can just
The
stop
new
by.
ones, the ones at Frankie's and the Farmer Joe's.
You hear that, Samo?
Wow, that makes it easy for everyone. The morning traffic, okay, man, it takes you 30 minutes to come from, let's just say here to over that Bangakolu over there.
Yes, so. But it's going on traffic low,
But making these, putting up and opening up these new kiosks by Digicel makes everything easy. You need a new, so you can also register new SIM cards there.
Yes, we have all the services there. So you can buy a phone, you can buy a router.
wow.
You can also get a free SIM from there. Also, you can do deposit. Like you can deposit your MyCash there as an agent.
wow.
So we have, like I said, we have a lot of new stuff that we're launching. But importantly, we do have a special at the moment for handsets. So if a customer stop by, we have a Redmi 10 at the price of 499 cash.
Whoa.
So the team will give you a discount. That's 449 MyCash. So if you sign up for the MyCash, you become a MyCash subscriber, and then you can be able to pay the handset 449 Tala. Yes.
Redmi, that's a very good phone.
Yeah, it is a very good one. It's a dual SIM one as well. So
Wow.
5G capabilities.
yes.
5G.
Yes, Uso.
Oh, hey. If you're in need of a new phone or get a phone for your child, for school, I pay for that kiosk, or one of the new kiosks we mentioned this morning, for
449 MyCash.
449 MyCash.
Yes.
But if you pay with cash,
That's 499.
499. That is a good deal.
It is a good deal. Saves you 50 Tala to buy
Nice.
something else, right?
That's primarily the focus for Digicel right now, is bringing the services in one place for the customer. Make it easier for them, saves time, being efficient, and helps all of us to get along our day.
True. Yeah, like Murianga said, saves you 50 tala to buy something else.
Buy pork bun.
Yeah, pork bun. Pancake. Coffee for the
You
bun.
can use that 50 Tala to top up because,
Oh, yeah,
as
see?
we said, If you get a free SIM card, top up $5 or more, you get
Free
extra
data.
gigs
Yeah,
and
free data,
extra
free
so,
calls,
yeah, that's
free
a lot
text.
of free stuff, eh?
For 2 weeks.
Yes.
And or if you want to use your 50 tala to deposit inside your MyCash, you can use it to pay for your
Hey.
cash power and
Hey.
your Samoan water bill.
Exactly.
What a smart man. One poke bun for you.
After the show, oh, flink banget kamu.